Hello world, how are you? Hope you are doing well. In this video we will talk about Python. Python has a simple syntax similar to the English language. Python has syntax that allows developers to write programs with fewer lines than some other programming languages. Python runs on an interpreter system, meaning that code can be executed as soon as it is written. This means that prototyping can be very quick. Python basic syntax: end, exec, not, assert, finally, or, break, for, pass, class, from, print, continue, global, raise, def, if, return, del, import, try, elif, in, while, else, is, with, except, lambda, yield. These are the basic syntax. If you interested to get complete Python course, let comment. Hope you like and subscribe. Bye bye.